So listen. When you're best friends with someone, what is a best friend? Let's think this first. A best friend is someone, your closest of friends, right? You share everything with them. You love them like they're part of your family, maybe. You've been friends for numerous years, but sometimes there's those best friends that just like the first time they meet, they're best friends. So, I don't know. There's a variety of options. So now that we've defined a best friend, let me ask you a question. Is it okay to make out with your best friend? The answer is no, it's not okay to make out with your best friend. I don't know why anyone would think it's okay, because it's not. You can't do that. I understand when best friends get into relationships with each other, because obviously, if they're your best friend, you obviously like them a lot, and you care about them, and you love them, so it's understandable if that happens. But then you wouldn't just be like, hey buddy, and then you go hook up on your best friend's bed. No, not okay. This is not okay. This concept is foreign to people. Foreign. And I feel like this is one of those roles, like, those rules that no one speaks about. It's just known. But apparently, you just disregard it whenever you want. It's like a cover-up, really. You just say that because you, like, are afraid of what else could happen from not being best friends anymore, maybe. Or maybe because, I don't know. That's the only logical reason for me right now. Maybe I can think of some other reasons later. Or you could tell me some reasons if you want, and then I could go from there. But right now, that's all I got. This is mind-boggling. I don't have any other words to say to you. So, that's the first lesson of the day. Don't make out with your best friend. And if you do, don't call them your best friend anymore, because they're clearly more than that. Thank you for your time. Goodbye!